boy. Doesn't look like it. Pretty solid. Alright. Yo, so I've been away for a while, and I figured the best way to come back is to do this unboxing from MaxShine. I was not expecting this package, and I was not expecting to take such an unexpectedly long break away from YouTube. So here's this little unboxing. I have plenty more on the way, just like I always say, right? Anyway, there's been a lot of life events going on with me personally, and I shared some of that on my Instagram. So if you guys do follow me on there, then you've already been aware of what's happened. So here's this unboxing. Boom. Oh snap! It actually is a detail store. I didn't actually think it'd be that. Wow, you're fucking nuts. Wow, look at me. Alright. Dang, look at this seat cushion. Look at this. All for detailing. And you got your little up and down. This guy probably screws in, I would imagine. Unless that's on a cap. No cap, no cap. Look, we're gonna figure this out in a second. But for now, wait, I think it just popped. I literally think it just pops on. Okay, so that's it. Ba-bam! That's actually pretty cool. I'll get a video of me sitting on this bad boy in a second. Alright, check this. I have no idea what's in this box. I have no idea. It's heavy. I'm just gonna tell them what's in here. Oh wow, there's a bunch of stuff in there. That is, whoa. Holy shit. I'm gonna have to take the camera down to just show you guys. That's insane. I don't, alright. It's like, what month is it? It's October? It's like Christmas in October. Check this out. Alright, so how you guys look inside the box? That's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of goodies in here. We have a lot of stuff to test. That's all I know. I don't want to use all this stuff for it to get used. So we got some polishing pads. We got the DA wool. There's a wool polishing pad for a DA. That's new information to me. I can't wait to try that out. I've never used a wool pad on a DA, so that's new. That's new to me. We got the MaxShine polishing pad for just a regular polishing pad. Some pretty big brush. So this is a clean tires. Pretty neat little handle there. Going hard. Alright, so we're getting into it. The Great Drying Towel. I can compare this to Clean too. So I mean, like, there's a lot of opportunity here to really compare products. But wow, super soft. I'll say that. We have a horsehair brush. This is for interior detailing. Check that bad boy out. Wow, this is a lot. Should be pumping. And speaking of pumps, we have this pump foam sprayer. So, and this is actually something that I've been wanting to get. I've been wanting to get a pump foam sprayer just for my degreaser, because I realized you use a lot of spray action when you're trying to spray. You're using the spray bottle. It's just annoying, in my opinion, that I have to keep doing this. It tires my forearm out. Have you guys ever had that happen? It's hard to describe the feeling, but it's just annoying. What we got here? Alright, we're gonna go through. I'm gonna unwrap these, and we'll go through and see what they all are. Very well packaged, so I'll say that. Oh, we got another pad here. More pads. I'll go through all these pads first. So we got more polishing pads. We got blue, yellow, and there's a wool one. So that's actually really cool. I'll choose them on my own car or if I inspire it. It's nice being able to have the availability of these products, because I didn't always have this. I never expected this to happen. So anybody watching this that sees me like getting these products, which is like, I'm super grateful. So just know that I'm super grateful while I'm unboxing this. This isn't like I'm not nonchalantly opening this. This has been years in the making. I've watched people get products before, and no one really does unboxings. It's supposed on Instagram, like, look what I got in the mail, or look at these new products, or look what this guy sent me. You watch other people on YouTube or Instagram or wherever you consume detailing content, and a lot of the guys have been around for a while. And feel like it's nice to finally be able to start working with different companies to show you guys what's out there, because it's not about really receiving the free products to me as much as it is letting you guys know what works, because I know what it's like to waste money on products. Like, I have a receipt where I spent over $1,000 on Chemical Guys products. I ain't gonna talk about it. It's the worst. Alright. These bottles are really nice though so far. I haven't used them, so I'm saying they're nice right now, but they're pretty nice. What is this? Iron remover, wheel cleaner? What? Okay, so we got some iron remover. We got these all open, so we're gonna go through. We got an AIO all-in-one cleaner. It's a citrus cleaning active degreaser. So this is a degreaser. We got an iron remover. And we got spray sealant. I have this as a spray sealant, another spray sealant downstairs from Extreme Auto Solutions. So we're definitely going to be comparing those two. I'll get a hood and I'll do a nice split section and see the hydrophobic properties. This is Clay Lube. And Clay Lube's always been interesting to me. I've used a few specific Clay Lube products, but I've never actually went out of my way to buy it after I used it the first time. I was watching a video, I believe it was Ammo, NYC, and he mentioned how you can just use water, or it's Kevin Brown that said it. It was something along those lines. But you don't actually need to be purchasing a dedicated Clay Lube, but you can use it. You know what I mean? It's really up to you, it's your choice. Alright, we got two more of these bad boys, the same shape, so I'm gonna showcase them at the same time. Okay, so we have an all-in-one polish and protection, so that's nice. This is like a one-step. I would imagine this is for one step. We're just polishing. Let's read it. Oh wow, it removes medium to heavy defects, laying down a protective layer through an all-in-one step process. So we'll definitely check this out. That's really fun to use. We'll find out. This is a conditioner, so this is for leather, vinyl, and rubber surfaces. This is basically a dressing. But we're gonna check this out too. So many things to try. We got more foam pads. It says what this is for. This is straight for finishing. It has the cut levels on the back. So basically you see red at the bottom and it goes all the way up through your other pad colors, which, as you can see here, is the yellow and the blue. And the only thing that's not in here was the green pad. So the green would be their heaviest cutting pad. But I do have their polishing, cutting, and finishing. All right. So we got this too. Car wash shampoo, pH neutral soap. We're definitely gonna enjoy trying this out. It's not every day that you get some soap. And soap lasts forever. I don't think anyone really realizes how little soap you can use and how far it can actually stretch. If you actually measure out your products correctly, like, you know, actually measure it, read labels, things like that, and you follow the treatment options, you're probably gonna be better off. I remember using, what was it? There was a Last Cut. I was using their compound polish. It's a dual, you just change your pad and it changes the result you get on the finish, obviously. But anyway, so I was using their product and I use them. I just use a lot. You know what I mean? I use a lot. I use more than what I needed to go through, and in all honesty, I could have saved more product if I would have knew what I knew then now. And that's why, you know, using compressed air blowing pads, obviously I knew that. But using water to spread your product further, didn't know that. I do now. But, you know, there's ways to conserve different products in different ways. Here we go. Coming in hot. Which I've been wanting to get these, not these specific, but I'm glad that they sent these 3 brushes. They say premium. I'm excited. That's a fun word. We got 3 new brushes we're gonna try out. We got 1 for wheels and 2 for interior. I say 2 for interior because sometimes you get nice cars and you want to have those brushes dedicated, set aside for those specific, like, nice cars. Because have you ever taken a, I don't know, semi-dirty brush to a white interior? You'll find out real quick that that brush is not clean. Anyway, these brushes. And then this just sums up, and this sums up the rest of the box. This is all that's in here. This is the last piece. Don't freak out, because I was not expecting this at all, so here it comes. What? So I have an entire DA here. A 1000 watt long throw dual action polisher, and I'm really at a loss for words. Anyway, let's open this thing up. There we go. Wow, that is, that's cool already. Little bag. Let's see what's in the little bag. Slow tools, user manual. Okay. This actually looks nice. What? Yo, oh, babe, do you see this? I'm about to fucking rip. Look at this guy. That actually looks really nice. I mean, what? So we're gonna put this to the test. We're gonna try out these new pads. We have products to test. We got a new polisher, brand new, from MaxShine. I don't even know what to think. So you got your levels of speed, your trigger. You can keep it running, and then just adjust your speed as you're going, and then let it off. Okay, that's pretty neat. Let's plug it in. When MaxShine originally called, I was like, if you guys want to send like an iron remover, I was like, if you guys want to send me like an iron remover, I've been wanting to try one of those. And Meguiar's up there priced to 80 bucks. And then, I mean, the only way you can get a discount is through Bezos on Amazon. So, I mean, damn, here we go. First rip. We'll go speed 1. Nothing to be mad at here. I'm excited to put it to good use. MaxShine, honestly, I'm completely blown away. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. There's so much stuff behind me that I have to start using. Yeah, I said it's like Christmas in October. I said, what month is it? Look, I got some videos to make. We're back on the farm. You guys are gonna see some cool stuff. I'm gonna get a video of me on this little chair soon. So, yeah. That's it. This is the seat. Where's my little? That's it, boys. That's my stool. That's my stool. This is the stool they sent me. This is it. It's very durable. As you can see, you can even do tiny races. Thank you again, MaxShine. This is gonna be my new bench. It's gonna be the only one I have. Next thing I'm gonna get is get a little cart, get a tiny cart. That's what I need. So I'm gonna get one. Thank you again, MaxShine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to, you know, like, subscribe, share. If you guys like this, I'll do more. I'll do more like this. I'm gonna take a knee. But yeah, in all seriousness, super excited to test out these products. Thanks again for watching. See you guys soon.